like this, but it's not going to work because I need to put a threaded rod through here, in the center here, right straight through this, and that piece is in the way. So to save the whole project from probably going in the scrap pile, I'm going to just glue this down. Or wait, no, what am I gonna do? Well, I can't drill through there because there's a bolt there. Unless I put a threaded rod on the side, but then it's not going to clamp straight. So the whole purpose of this turning is so that I can clamp a guitar neck which isn't straight. I want to be able to clamp something that's not perfectly straight and have a decent amount of clampage, coverage, whateverage. So that's basically what I'm looking to do. But I also want to be able to clamp straight things because it's not just one specific angle that all necks are at. They're not all the same. So this way, whatever shape the piece is, as long as the two sides are straight, it'll be able to clamp it. So, let me think about that. Change of plans. I was planning on putting a internal nut inside of this. But what I'm thinking I might do is if I drill right beside the bolt for this to pivot, I can put a bolt through here and use a bolt instead of a nut, instead of a threaded rod. So the bolt's threads are only a 3/8 inch bolt. It's a carriage bolt. So what I'll be able to do is I'll be able to actually put a handle right on the end a lot easier. Oh, those aren't straight with each other. Anyway, I'll fix that after. So I'll be able to just put it slightly off. That should fix it. That'll fix the whole problem. So I've done some brainstorming. I'm going to drill this hole just under 1/2 inch so that I can thread a 1/2 inch bolt into it so that I can have a bolt go all the way to almost here and all the way from the bottom almost to here. I drilled the hole right in the middle, as you can hardly see, in order to put the threaded rod through from the front. I have this handle here. This is my fun little handle design. And so that's going to be done up with captive nuts on both sides. Not captive nuts, sorry. It's going to be done up with nuts on both sides so that it stays in firm. Coming from the front here, right through here, into a nut that is inset into the back here. You'll see that in a moment. Well, that's it, everybody. I have it together. I used a threaded rod here. I put in a set washer bolt thing, whatever that is, in the back side so it actually clamps. This jaw pivots on a 1/2 inch bolt, and on the bottom there's another 1/2 inch bolt going in. They're both threaded into there all the way to the threaded rod. So for now I'm going to clamp it when I'm using it, but eventually when I figure out where I want to keep it, I'll be able to mount this right onto the bench. Yeah, so that's pretty exciting.